Why, hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got that. What is that? This is Marutai Umaoshi Champon noodle from Kyushu? I think that's what it said. It's a flavor of Kyushu. So let's put this sucker together. I took it apart so I could take some pictures. That's what I do. There's the line. And boom. Fascinating to me, maybe not as much to you. When they put these put cups together in the factory, the cups are actually upside down and they push the noodle block up into it. Because pushing it down, I guess it doesn't work so well. You can thank Momofuku Ando for figuring that one out. A wonderful guy who said really weird things sometimes. Ow, God! Hot water. And it's Friday the 13th, so maybe that was as bad as it'll get for me. I can live with that. So how y'all doing? It's Friday, August 13th, 2021. It's already gotten up to 96 degrees here. Humidity keeps going down, so there's danger of large fires. And the air quality is slowly and actually fast approaching a level of 200, which means if you go outside, you will die instantaneously. Your lungs will explode. So that's kind of a fun fact. Yeah. But, oh yeah, this came out of a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. Yeah, tomorrow is Friday. Or no, today is Friday, tomorrow then will be Saturday, yeah. And it's gonna be pretty cool. My buddy Matt's gonna come over, we're gonna bake some bread. We're gonna do some weird bread. So might do an instant noodle recipe time and actually have a special guest on the show. So stay tuned for that, check your local listings. That would be not the next episode or the one after that, but after that. So, in a few days, if that happens. But, yeah, we're gonna party up and make bread with this bread machine. And you know what? I didn't set a timer, so there's the Friday the 13th right there. I think I've been yammering on for at least 2 minutes, so here's 2 more minutes. It takes 4 minutes, so it should be well hydrated by the time I decide that it's done. Got up, went and I called the local joints, and the local store did not have mung bean sprouts. But the one down the road did. So I walked in 90-degree heat with bad air quality. Got my mung bean sprouts. That store down there in Lake Forest Park is weird, man. It's like you go in there and it's like in an old Wild West movie when like the new guy in town, yeah, I'm wondering, you know, can I get a, and then everybody just like turns around and looks at him and all the player piano stops and all that. That's what it feels like in that Albertson. Honestly, it feels more like when you walk in there, everybody's kind of like walking along, doesn't want to make eye contact, seems really, really quiet. They're getting their stuff done. It's almost like there's some kind of overlord that wants to make sure that they don't say anything. Kringo will get you, you know. Kringo. Landrew. Oh friend, are you not of the body? Festival. We got 27 seconds left. I'm not going to do any quotes right now, but we will do quotes later. It'll be a quotable quota of quotes. Yeah. This is Champon. This is like pork broth with vegetable broth. No, pork, vegetable, seafood. Come on, beef. Thank you. So let's see here. Check out the quality. Alright, yeah. I'm ready to give it a try. I haven't had anything to eat today except for a Bang drink and a bunch of vitamins. Breakfast champions. Stirring. Stirring at an upper level. Stirring at the uppermost level. And flipping.
Let's go.
And it's hot. It's not styrofoam. Styrofoam cups will hold in heat better. Paper cups, not as much. But this is pretty freaking hot. Wow. Excellent noodle. Excellent sturdy noodle. Wow. Well hydrated, strong. There's that. It's kind of like a seafood tonkatsu. Wow. I tell you, freaking, what's it called? Why can't I think of the name of the company that makes this now? Marutai. Marutai makes some jet. Boss stuff. Always impressed with their build quality. Always. That's my favorite thing when I'm watching a video and I see some dude going off about, yeah, you know, the build quality and blah 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 blah. Like, oh, shut up. Nobody wants to hear your wackatoo. Okay. So it's a pork and seafood type of noodle. So here, homemade chashu. You can do it. You can do it. All you gotta do, first off, just find some freaking pork belly. That's the hardest part. Then all you need is like butcher's twine. That's not too hard. Not expensive either. Neither's the pork belly. I mean, come on. Don't go to Trader Joe's and get it. Just don't go to Trader Joe's. And yeah, I'm gonna put some spring onion on it now. I don't know. I don't like Trader Joe's mainly because of the clientele. And if you're a client of, if you love going to Trader Joe's, I sincerely don't apologize because you guys are all crazy. There's like so many people that they just like hang out in large groups and go, oh, look at this sourdough. Yeah, he's what you're doing, your sourdough. Yeah. No, but they'll just sit there in a large group and be in the way and just like, it's like they're shopping for shoes, but it's a freaking grocery store. Get over it. I don't know. It's just like, let's spend 5 hours in the overpriced grocery store. I just don't get it. But every time we've gone there, always see the same thing. People, 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 don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Being away, being away, being away. Man, the only problem with doing cups is there's just not a lot of room for stuff in the bowl. I mean, I've got egg here too. Oh, I've got 2 slices of this? I didn't mean to do that. Uh-oh. We're going to have a crowded bowl, ladies and gentlemen. We'll do it like that. And that's pretty. Ooh. I've got another piece of kamaboko too. I guess I'll bite the bullet. I'll just eat the kamaboko. It's not a bad, horrible thing. Like that. Ooh, that's fancy. Oh yeah, I got an egg. Where the hell am I gonna put the egg? You know where I can put the egg? Tell me in the comments below and we'll be back next week. No, that's not gonna work. Bread. Well, I know how I'm gonna cut the egg. I'm going to cut it transversely. Or no, I'm gonna cut it that way. Like that. And that. See? I hope you can see. And of course, what I walked all the way over there for that I almost forgot, mung bean sprout. We gotta have that in there. I'd punch my own self in the mouth if I forgot to add mung bean sprouts. And these mung bean sprouts, the date is right on them, but they don't. I'm gonna guess I might get 2 days out of these, and it sucks because it's Friday. So before Monday, I'm gonna have to get more mung bean sprouts. Unless I do reviews while my buddy's here. It's not like we're gonna use mung bean sprouts in the bread. So crud. What's a guy to do? Just to make it a little more fun, I'm gonna put a little shichimi right there. And that is Marutai Umaoshi Champon. See, I hear Champon and Champon. I think they're just different derivations or whatever you want to call them, but they're different. They're not different, but they're just different ways of putting it. But I don't know. You do your thing, Rotato, and we'll have some different music. Uh-oh. Sorry, Rotato. Let's rotate. Thank you very much for watching, and the next one we got here is this Vite Ramen version 1.2. This is their grilled